Hi, this is Greg Relke from Midwest Machinery. I'm here to talk to you today about our popular attachments that we're selling on our 1R and 1E series tractor. Our biggest popular selling attachment is going to be the 60-inch deck. 60-inch deck is a drive-over auto-connect deck that hooks up everything all by itself. It's more popular versus the 54 because it's a larger machine or larger deck, so it takes large properties and take you less time mowing. Next I want to talk about is the 120R loader. By far our most popular attachment that we sell. Comes factory installed from Deere, and if you don't have one, we can always get one. This is the newest, latest, greatest. This is a single point. It comes on and off in less than 2 minutes. Next, I want to talk about two items that we have to offer for yard or driveway maintenance. That's a land plane that hooks up on your 3-point, and then we also got a rear blade that I'll discuss in a little bit. The land planes are used for driveways that have got a little bit rougher terrain to it, meaning there might be some rivets or holes, ruts through that. This thing will come in and smooth out that line of driveway along with the scarifies on the bottom to get really tough on it. Here we have a 3-point rear blade. It's a 60-inch blade that'll hook up onto any of our compact utility tractors to maintain the driveway. It also does swivel left to right, so you can get that crown if you need that on the driveway. Another very popular item that we've got for our 1025-1023 combo is the rear tine tiller. It's a 47-inch tiller made by John Deere. It will help with your garden preparation, yard preparation. It's iMatch compatible. It's simple, easy to hook up. Another popular 3-point attachment that we have is the rotary cutter. It's a 48-inch rotary cutter that's iMatch compatible. It's easy to hook up. It takes down tall grasses and some light sticks. It's got front chains and rear chains, and it'll clean up the pastures, yard lines, and things like that. Another popular attachment we have here to offer is the root grapple. Mounts in the front of your loader, you take the bucket off. This one happens to be hydraulic. We also have a mechanical version that's available as well. And here we got one of our more popular items that we sell. It's a pallet forks for the front of your 1023, 1025R tractor. Bucket comes off and this slaps on in less than 15 seconds. It is adjustable left to right, and it'll handle your 1025R, 1023E without a problem. Another attachment we got is the John Deere iMatch compatible ballast box. Filled with rock and sand when you're using your loader to get proper balance from front to back of the tractor. This ballast box will hook up to the John Deere iMatch Quick Hitch. Along with all the other attachments we showed you today, the iMatch Quick Hitch, you back into it, into the attachment, and you lift it up and lock it in, and the iMatch hitch keeps your attachment on.